Children with intellectual disabilities, ID, often exhibit unique learning characteristics and cognitive processes compared to typically developing children. Understanding these differences is crucial for educators and caregivers to provide appropriate support and interventions. Here are some key points regarding learning characteristics and cognitive processes, particularly focusing on sequential processing of information in children with ID. Delayed development. Children with ID typically exhibit delayed development across multiple domains, including cognitive, language, social, and motor skills. This delay can affect their ability to process and comprehend sequential information effectively. Difficulty with abstract concepts. Children with ID may struggle with abstract thinking and understanding complex concepts. Sequential processing often involves understanding abstract relationships between different elements of information, which can pose challenges for these children. Concrete learning. Children with ID often benefit from concrete, hands-on learning experiences. They may have difficulty grasping sequential information presented solely through abstract means such as verbal instructions or written text. Utilizing visual aids, manipulatives, and real-life examples can enhance their understanding of sequential concepts. Repetition and practice. Children with ID may require more repetition and practice to master sequential skills compared to typically developing children. Breaking down complex sequences into smaller, more manageable steps and providing ample opportunities for practice and reinforcement is essential. Visual learning preferences. Many children with ID have a preference for visual learning. They may find it easier to process sequential information presented in visual formats such as diagrams, charts, or videos rather than through auditory or written means. Difficulty with working memory. Working memory, which involves temporarily holding and manipulating information, may be impaired in children with ID. This can impact their ability to retain and process sequential information, especially if the sequence is lengthy or complex. Need for explicit instruction. Children with ID often benefit from explicit instruction that breaks down sequential tasks into clear, step-by-step instructions. Providing explicit cues and prompts can help guide them through the sequential process. Supporting self-regulation. Children with ID may struggle with self-regulation and impulse control, which can affect their ability to focus and attend to sequential tasks. Teaching strategies for self-regulation and providing structured environments can support their engagement in sequential learning activities. Individual variability. It's important to recognize that children with ID are a diverse group with varying strengths and challenges. Some may excel in certain aspects of sequential processing while struggling in others. Individualized assessment and intervention plans tailored to each child's unique needs are essential. Overall, supporting sequential processing of information in children with ID requires a multifaceted approach that addresses their cognitive strengths and challenges while providing individualized support and accommodations. Collaboration between educators, caregivers, and other professionals is key to promoting the optimal development and learning of these children.